My experience of dealing with Project Solar has been second to none. The customer service from Project Solar was probably the best I've experienced in any dealings I've had with any supplier or installer of equipment. Everybody from a technical point of view and customer service point of view and a selling point of view and installation, and they're all available and in contact with you constantly. I've been interested for some time in having solar panels installed, and to be honest, I contacted various companies and never got a response. Saw an advert for Project Solar on the television, and within 2 days of my sending off an inquiry, the salesman came around, did a fantastic job, didn't push us at all, explained technically how it would all work, and installed, as I said, installed 9 days later. We have 13 panels installed on the roof, which create 6 kilowatts of power through an inverter and into a 6 kilowatt battery. Well, the benefits, certainly from our point of view, is we have an electric car and underfloor heating in our house, and it's a money saving. So far in February it's been installed for 6 weeks, and effectively we've already reduced our electric bill from February compared to previous months by over 60%. Environmentally, fantastic that we're using a free source of power and helping the environment. With the app that Project Solar supply, I've shown it to other people who have solar panels and they've never seen anything like it. It's a real step forward. I'm able to show all my friends that my wife has obviously got her friends around and got the kettle on, because I can tell exactly what's coming into the house and what she's up to when I'm not around. I would highly recommend Project Solar for any installation, and everybody should be going ahead and doing it.